Okay, so you have used your domain to create inboxes in Zoho, and now it's stuck. You're not sure how to disconnect this domain from Zoho so that you can use it with any other ESPs. And due to that, maybe you're facing some challenges in figuring out, okay, what do I do next? So, if you're facing something like this, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can exactly disconnect your domain with Zoho account and then reuse it with any other ESPs of your choice, whether it's Google, Outlook, Zoho, or even any other ESPs. So watch the video till the end to avoid missing any steps and to get the clear guideline. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me share my screen here real quick. So on the screen, you might be able to see a domain with username, password, IMAP host, SMTP host, and then status. Now, this domain is being used to create inboxes in Zoho. Now, what I want to do is disconnect this domain so that I can use this domain anywhere else without having it stuck in Zoho. So, first thing first that I'll do is to have my credentials in a sheet just like this, and then I'll open Zoho Mail. You can come to this site and then you have to sign in or log in, whatever option that you see. You'll see sign in mostly. So let's sign in. I'll put the username, I'll put the password and sign in. Okay. So now that I'm signed in into this account, see, okay, so it is showing me the inbox that has been created here, and then I'll skip. Now I'll go to the admin console and then try to disconnect the domain from there. So I'll click on this my profile icon that you see at the right top. So click on that. Click on admin console and also open my account that you see here. All right. So once you are in the admin console, as you can see, this admin console has expired and now I cannot use it any further because I don't want to. So I'll disconnect this. I'll disconnect my domain with this dashboard so that I can use it with any other ESP. So the first thing that I'll do is this is the dashboard that you'll see after opening. What you have to do is you have to go to domains and then first delete this particular domain from this. So I'll click on delete. It will ask that, okay, you're trying to do something sensitive. So we need password. So I'll re-enter the password. It will start deleting this. Okay, now this domain has been deleted. Now that this is done, the next step that I'm going to do is come to my account section, and here under the main dashboard of profile, you'll see this section, my email address, where it will show you two different addresses. Now, among these, this is the one that I've used to create this account, and then this is the one that I have like that is being associated with this domain. So what I'll do is first set as primary. I'll change the set as primary, and then since I have deleted the domain, I will delete this one. Now make sure that you first delete the domain before changing the primary email and deleting the email associated with the domain. Otherwise, you will not be able to do the same process. Now I'll come back to the admin console and then I'll go to organization user. See, okay, so here you can see all these organization user that are here. I'll click on select all and at one time you can just select 25 users. So I will deselect all the other users. So now we got 25 selected and I'll click on delete and delete from all Zoho services. Delete and then put the password. Now it will start deleting this. Let's wait just for a couple of minutes or seconds. Let's see. Okay, now these are deleted. Now delete the rest of it. Now, one thing that you have to check is super administration email that you cannot delete. That is something that you just cannot delete. And that's why we have changed the primary email address from here to make this primary or the admin email address so that even if we have this email with here, that's not an issue. since we wanted to remove our domain that is being connected. So our domain that we are using here is try lead generation jedi.xyz. And here we have client gen engine jedi.xyz. So I'll let this be and delete the rest of the emails that is associated with our main domain. So click on delete and delete from all Zoho services. Okay, now that all the emails are deleted in this dashboard, there is there is nothing else. You can refresh this once and then see there's just one organization that is left here. So I'll come here and then I'll delete this organization. So go to setting. At the left side in the mid section, you will see settings. And when you scroll down in the setting section, you will see this option of close account that says permanently delete all data associated with your organizations. Click on close organization and then click on close organizations and account. I'll click on proceed and then next again. Now I want to close the organization, so it's asking for the reason. I'll say that let's say um, this has been created by mistake. You can select whatever is relevant for yours, your scenario. So I can also do only use for testing out the apps, and then I'll say I have created this for testing, and now I want to disconnect this domain from Zoho, and then that's it. Then I'll click that, check this box that says understand terms and condition. Then I'll enter the password again for confirmation. Now here it might ask password at any point. It could be asking in the mid as well. It could be asking at the last step. And now it's done. As you can see, it's refreshed and now it's back to the main screen. It means that this account has been disconnected and this account has been deleted and the domain has been disconnected. Now, if I try to log in into this account again, you see this account cannot be found. Please use a different account to sign up for a new account. And you will also see this update in your account as well, that you have used to fetch that. Let's see if it is here. So yeah, see, we have received this, that this email has been deleted, today's date, time, and all those information. So I'll just remove this. So that is how you can delete your account that has been created on Zoho, and you can just disconnect your domain that has been used to create account on Zoho. That was the process. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe and share it with someone to whom you think that this video will be helpful. And that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.